Hi, I am Dr. Sigarkanti. In this video, we solve some problems on Euler's theorem. Verify Euler's theorem for the function u equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Here, see, this is the given function. What is the degree? 2. What is the degree? 2. What is the degree? Here also 2. That is x, degree of x is 1, degree of y is also 1. So, that is total degree is equal to 2. So, degree of each term is equal to 2. Therefore, we say that it is a homogeneous function of degree 2. So, that is, this is a homogeneous function of degree 2. I have to verify the Euler's theorem. Just I have to check whether I am getting x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y is equal to 2 into u or not. Right? So, here u is given. Differentiating this with respect to x and y partially, we get dou u by dou x equal to x square derivative is 2x, y square derivative is 0 plus 2xy derivative is 2y. Okay, 2x plus 2y. And if I multiply by x here, we get x into dou u by dou x is equal to 2x square plus 2xy. Similarly, differentiating this u partially with respect to y, we get dou u by dou y equal to x square derivative is 0 plus y square derivative is 2y plus 2xy derivative is 2 into x. Multiplying this by y, we get y into dou u by dou y equal to 2y square plus 2xy. Okay, so I got x dou u by dou x and y dou u by dou y. Adding these two, x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equal to, see here, 2 is a common factor. I have to add all these 4 terms here. Each term we have 2 common factor here. We get 2 common factor, but I am getting x square plus xy plus xy. That is 2xy. X square plus y square plus 2xy. This is nothing but 2 into, this is our u. So that is 2u. So I am getting x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y is equal to n into u. Hence, Euler's theorem is verified. Second example. Verify Euler's theorem for u equal to x square plus y square divided by x minus y. See, in the numerator we have 2 terms, degree of this is 2, degree of this is also 2. So, same degree is there. And in the denominator, we have 2 terms. Degree of first term is 1, degree of second term is also 1. So, degree of each term in the numerator is 2, degree of each term in the denominator is 1. Therefore, degree of this function is 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So, this is a homogeneous function of degree 1. I have to verify Euler's theorem. That is, I have to find out x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y. And we have to check whether this is equal to 1 into u or not. Okay. So, u equal to x square plus y square divided by x minus y is there. Differentiating this partially with respect to x, I am getting. I have to use the quotient rule here. Denominator square, x minus y square. Denominator into x minus y into. Derivative of the numerator with respect to x is 2x minus numerator is x square plus y square into derivative of denominator x minus y derivative with respect to x is 1. So, this is equal to denominator is x minus y whole square as it is. Here I am getting x into 2x is 2x square. Okay, and minus 1x square is there. 2x square minus 1x square is 1x square. And here minus 2xy, I write minus 2xy as it is, and one more term minus y square. Okay, minus y square. So, x square minus 2xy minus y square divided by x minus y whole square. And if I multiply this by x, I am getting x into dou u by dou x equal to, this becomes x cube minus 2x square y minus x into y square. Okay, I will take this as a 1. And then dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y, differentiating the given equation with respect to y, I am getting denominator square x minus y whole square, denominator into derivative of numerator x square plus y square is there, its derivative is 2 into y minus numerator x square plus y square, derivative of the denominator. In the denominator I have x minus y derivative with respect to y is minus 1. So this is equal to x into 2y is 2xy, okay, and we have here minus y into 2y, the minus 2y square, and here we have minus into minus plus, okay, plus y square. Minus 2y square plus y square is minus y square, and minus into minus plus x square. 2xy minus y square plus x square divided by x minus y whole square. Multiplying this by y, you get y into du by dy equal to 2xy square minus this becomes y cube plus this becomes x square into y divided by x minus y whole square. This is our 2. Now adding 1 and 2, we have denominator same, x minus y whole square, x minus y whole square. So denominator is same. And in the numerator we have, we have read this as, see, x cube term is there, minus y cube term is there. First I will write x cube minus y cube term. And then here minus 2x square y plus 2xy square is there. I will take 2 minus 2xy common factor in these two terms. So if I take minus 2xy common factor, what remains here is 1x remains here. Okay, I have taken minus and common factor. Here minus 1y remains. So that is 2xy into x minus y plus, in these two terms, I will take xy common factor. Okay, if I take xy common factor, here x remains minus, here y remains, xy into x minus y. Now, I have to show that this is equal to n into u, right? We have to write in that form. This is our x cube minus y cube, or a cube minus b cube form. A cube minus b cube can be written as a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So x cube minus y cube can be written as x minus y into x square plus y square plus xy. Okay, and here in these two terms, I'll write this as minus 2xy into x minus y, okay, plus xy into x minus y. Then I have to take x minus y common factor here. So in the next step, what I do here is, I will take x minus y is here, x minus y is here, x minus y is here. I will take x minus y common factor. If I take x minus y common factor, see what remains. X square plus y square plus xy, okay, minus 2xy plus xy minus 2xy is minus 1xy. Minus 1xy plus 1xy is 0. So that is what remains here is, just remains x square plus y square. X square plus y square. Now, 1x minus y gets cancelled. What I am getting is x square plus y square divided by x minus y. This is nothing but our u. This can be written as 1 into u. Hence, Euler's theorem is verified. Okay. This is an example. If u equal to sine inverse of x square plus y square divided by x minus y, show that x into du by dou x plus y into du by dou y is equal to tan u. So we show that this equation using our Euler's theorem. Given that u equal to sine inverse of x square plus y square divided by x minus y. Here u is not a homogeneous function. Okay. What I do here is, given u equal to sine inverse of x square plus y square divided by x minus y, therefore this can be written as, taking sine to the left hand side, sine u equal to x square plus y square divided by x minus y. This is a homogeneous function. X square plus y square divided by x minus y is a homogeneous function of degree 1. So in this case, what I do is, I will take say z equal to sine u, that is equal to x square plus y square divided by x minus y. Let me write this equation equal to say z. That is z equal to sine u and z equal to this. So that is z equal to sine u. I will take this as a 1, and z equal to x square plus y square divided by x minus y. I will take this as a 2. Now here z equal to x square plus y square divided by x minus y is a homogeneous function of degree 1. If it is a homogeneous function, then we can apply the Euler's theorem. By Euler's theorem, what we can write is x into dou z by dou x plus y into dou z by dou y is equal to n into z. N is 1 here. 1 into z is z. I will take this as say 3. Then in the next step, what I do is I will find out this dou z by dou x and dou z by dou x. This is from this equation. Okay. So I will find out this dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y from equation number 1. What is dou z by dou x? Dou z by dou x is sin u derivative cos u into dou u by dou x, and dou z by dou y is cos u into dou z by dou y. Okay, finding dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y, and substituting here, we get the required equation. So dou z by dou x equal to cos u into dou u by dou x. Dou z by dou y is cos u into dou u by dou y. Substituting here in 3, we get x into, this is cos u dou u by dou x plus y into, this is cos u dou u by dou y is equal to, what is z? Z is nothing but sin u. Now dividing this equation throughout by cos u, what we get here? Here cos u gets cancelled, here cos u gets cancelled. On the left hand side, we get x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y equal to sin u by cos u is equal to tan u. This is the required equation. Next example, similar example. If u equal to cos inverse of x plus y divided by root x plus root y, show that x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y plus 1 by 2 into cot u is equal to 0. Method is same. Given that u equal to cos inverse of x plus y divided by root x plus root y, this implies cos u is equal to x plus y divided by root x plus root y. Now here, let me take this equation is equal to say z. Z equal to cos u equal to x plus y divided by root x plus root y. That is z equal to cos u, one equation, and z equal to x plus y by root x plus root y. This is the second equation. Here see, observe this equation number 2. What is the degree here? 1, here 1. So numerator degree is 1. In the denominator, what is the degree here? Half. Degree half. Numerator is 1, denominator is 1 by 2. So whole degree is equal to 1 by 2. So this equation number 2, z equal to x plus y divided by root x plus root y, is a homogeneous function of degree 1 by 2. Okay, this is a homogeneous function of degree 1 by 2. If it is a homogeneous function of degree n, then we can apply the Euler's theorem. So by Euler's theorem, we get x dou z by dou x plus y dou z by dou y equal to n into z. N is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into z. Next thing, just we have to find out dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y, and substitute. Okay. So dou z by dou x, here we have to find out dou z by dou x. I will find out dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y from equation number 1. Dou z by dou y, dou z by dou x equal to minus sin u into dou u by dou x. Okay, minus sin u into dou u by dou x. And dou z by dou y is minus sin u into dou u by dou y. Substituting in 3, we get this one is minus x into sin u into dou u by dou x, here minus y into sin u into dou u by dou y is equal to 1 by 2 into z. What is z? Z is equal to cos u. Okay. Now dividing this equation throughout by minus sin u, we get this is x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y equal to minus 1 by 2 into cos u by sin u is cot u minus 1 by 2 into cot u. Taking on to the left hand side, we get it is equal to plus 1 by 2 into cot u is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Okay, thank you. I'll stop here.